Did you know that being a spectator at a sideshow could now actually be a criminal offense?
Drone video showing cars unable to move after police surrounded a weekend sideshow in San Jose. Officers closed the roads, boxed suspected participants and spectators in, then gave citations to those there.
Multiple cities throughout the Bay Area and counties throughout the state have taken action against sideshows. Sideshows are events where a bunch of cars gather and potentially do donuts or do other reckless driving. Usually these sideshows are events potentially where other crimes occur. They lead to potential drug sales, they lead to people getting hurt with violent offenses, and sometimes they cause considerable property damage.
A ghost gun was also recovered in an area near the sideshow, the same spot where someone reported being carjacked to police. San Jose police say sideshow activity was reported throughout the city Saturday night into Sunday morning. They went to work, though, detaining approximately 500 vehicles in this area, citing 720 people.
Now, in an effort to stop that from occurring, Alameda County's Board of Supervisors have passed a new law that makes it so that if you're simply a spectator, that you could be cited with a misdemeanor offense and a $1,000 base fine and penalty assessments and potentially up to 6 months in the county jail. That's pretty considerable. That means if you're just on the side of the road watching people swing their cars, you could be found responsible for a misdemeanor.
This is not the first time San Jose police gave out citations in a situation like this, but it appears to be one of the biggest sideshow busts they've made.
In a situation where you're involved in a sideshow, if you're the driver, you could be seeing much more serious offenses. I'll tell you why. Usually, if you're engaged in a sideshow, if the cops pull up on that scene and you happen to pull away at a high rate of speed, you could be cited for a misdemeanor of reckless driving or even a felony evading if you continue to drive off if the police vehicle has its lights and sirens activated, it's fully marked.
19 vehicles were impounded. Officers say it will likely cost those vehicle owners between $3,000 and $4,000 because of that. Officers tell us that 82 juvenile contact reports were made.
Keep in mind that if you're facing a felony offense, it's very serious. It could often have significant penalties to affect your driver's license and your insurance by imposing points against your driving record. If you've been involved in a sideshow or have been picked up swinging your car or picked up simply for being a spectator, you need qualified counsel because now it can ruin your future. Give us a call at 8336-NO-JAIL.